Hi, Antukin. Hello. Hi, Rolando Flores. 20K to quota, guys. Wala pa. Ngayon pa lang ako nag-live for this month. Kami naman, bueno mano. Hello, thank you. How do I read that name? The one with the sword and everything. Oh, I haven't seen you for many days. Yeah, but I still went live for a few consecutive days last month. But after that, I think I just went live today. Yesterday because I had PK. But other than that, this is my first live for this month. May class pa or wala na? Wala na. Kakatapos lang. Hi, who's who? Thank you so much for the flowers. Thank you. I appreciate it. For your gifts. Thank you so much. Anong year mo na? Third year. Pero supposedly, fourth year na ako. That graduating na ako. Kaso, lumipat ako ng school. So, balik ako ng isang year. Third year. Hi, Moraes. What course? Political science. Hi, Mark. Hi, GM. Hi, all goods. Hi, Hanya. Hi, Jan. Hi, Tristan. Hello, doggy. Here's the doggy. I love my hair today. Too bad. I'm gonna wet it later. Hello, ano na? Hi, Chunano. Wow, Chunano. Wawa naman. The uniform is so pretty. Thank you, Juan. Thank you so much. It's just so expensive. I mean, for me, it's expensive. Yeah. I did the tie by myself. Hello, Sharbesh. Hi, James. Ball. Hi, Caleb. Okay. Hi, Alibaba. Hi, Marvin. Hi, Jelly Ace. 40 beans, guys, for 1 star. No, I can bear one. Hi, VTech guy. Hi, Don Kanya. My nose is so itchy. You are a talented person. How so? I think I haven't done any. Hi. Shh. My nose is itchy. Think I have allergies. Thank you, who's who. Thank you so much for the roses. Oh, my nose is so itchy. It's getting red. See? Cute ng heart. Hi, Nino. Hi, Rolando Flores. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. How are you? Hi, Noberto. Hi, Rafael. Look at this, guys. Hi, Rabbit ako. I have this new lippy lip balm rather, and it's tinted from Vaseline. Ta-da! It's nude. It's a nude color, so I don't think it's noticeable, but I like it so much. And it's expensive. See? Such a pretty color. So when I put it on my lips,